Whale strandings are relatively common all around the state each year, but generally it's just a single individual or perhaps like a mother-calf pair. Mass strandings are less frequent, but are increasing in frequency. There are some common reasons that whales strand. The first one is illness and disease, particularly if there's one individual that gets sick. We find in these highly social mammals that the rest will follow. This is particularly the case in species such as pilot whales. We also find that sometimes it is just navigational error, particularly in these shallow embayments, places like Hamlin Bay. They can swim in there and then their echolocation gets confused, which is their inbuilt sonar system. Also, sometimes exposure to high intensity sounds can also cause strandings. There's a variety of ways that we can collect information and data at whale strandings. The first one is just measurement, so getting a total length measurement allows us to work out whether it's an adult or a young immature animal and assign an age class, and we can also get species identification then. Most of the samples go off to be analysed in a laboratory, so the histopathology is done there, and that's testing for diseases, particularly infectious diseases, and then a report's prepared and those findings are disseminated to management authorities. Yeah, my advice for those that want to get involved at whale strandings is to keep yourself safe, register as a volunteer and follow the directions and instructions of the management authorities. We have a lot of experience at these events and make sure you're wearing protective equipment and that you don't expose yourself to zoonoses and diseases, and also exposure is another one to be aware of at these events. But just enjoy the experience. It's a privilege to be up close to these wild animals. Of course, if you're suffering afterwards, they can be very emotional and distressing and traumatic events. Make sure that you seek professional help.